Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I traded one of the best performing cryptocurrency using the Do Your Own Crypto Trading research. Keep watching. The first step of the Do Your Own Crypto Trading research is to identify where the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are heading to right now. And if you want to be 70% sure of where the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are heading to, you've got to choose to trade short or long using the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair as a guide. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, it's currently trading from its most recent low price. And to identify the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, you've got to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the most recent low price. And as you can see, the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, it's exactly at $24,901. And then use the yellow horizontal line tool to indicate the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair. And from the most recent low price, the price action of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 6.68% and then dipped down to 3.47%. It bounced up again by 7.79% and then dipped down to 5.33%. Bounced up again by 7.87% and then dipped down to 5.96%. And it bounced up again by 10.01% and then dipped down to 7.07%. And then it bounced up again by 10.40%, and now the Bitcoin market price is currently trading above the standard 5% bounce from its most recent low price. And that means you should go hunting for long trading opportunities in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. So I'm heading over to the cryptocurrency exchange of my choice right now. For example, on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange, click on the markets overview. And as you can see on the markets overview, click on the spot market link and select the base cryptocurrency of your choice. For example, USDT, USDC, BTC, DAI, EUR, and BRZ. So in my case, I'm selecting the USDT based cryptocurrency. So I'm clicking on the USDT based cryptocurrency. And then once you've selected the base cryptocurrency of your choice, click on the 24-hour chain switch a couple of times to sort the cryptocurrencies in order of the highest percent gainers to the lowest percent gainers. And as you can see on the list, the best performing cryptocurrency pair on the Bybit exchange, it's the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair. And it's currently trading at over 70% increase in price action. And wow, just like that, you found the best performing cryptocurrencies to trade right away. And the next step is to start analyzing the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrencies using the second step of the Do Your Own Crypto Trading research. The second step of the Do Your Own Crypto Trading research is to identify the most current bullish or bearish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. Look, complexity is the enemy of execution. And that means the more complex you make your crypto trading process, the harder it is for you to make profits in the cryptocurrency markets. Make no mistakes. The candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair, it's divided into bullish trend section and bearish trend sections. Note, the most current bullish trend section of any cryptocurrency pair starts from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, and the most current bearish trend section of any cryptocurrency pair starts from the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. For example, remember in the fourth step of the do your own crypto trading research, the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair said we should go hunting for long trading opportunities in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. And right now, the best performing cryptocurrency on the Bybit exchange, it's the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair. And that means the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair has left clues on the candlestick price chart data. So let's jump right in to identify the most current bullish trend section of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair. As you can see on the candlestick price chart data of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair, the most current bullish trend section of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And to identify the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, you've got to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data in order to get the exact price of the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And as you can see, the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, it's exactly at 0.0543 cents. And then use the yellow horizontal line to indicate the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 28.65% and then dipped down to 8.05%. And finally, the price action bounced up again by 130.15% to complete its standard cycle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is 0.1250 cents. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 130.15% over the period of 4 days, 8 hours. And the next step is to create your crypto trading plan on the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency pair using the third step of the do your own crypto trading research. The third step of the do your own crypto trading research is to plan your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency pair. So the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and are highly manipulated by the exchanges and market makers. And that's the major reason why you should never buy cryptocurrencies without identifying the best prices to buy or sell them. So you outrightly have to plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency pair before executing any live crypto trading activity. For example, if you were to trade the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair like everyone did in our crypto trading community, your stop loss price will be constantly at the 9% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the red horizontal line to indicate your stop loss price, which is 0.0592 cents. And your entry price will be constantly at the 15% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the blue horizontal line to indicate your entry price, which is 0.0625 cents. And your safety price will be at the 25% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the pink horizontal line to indicate your safety price, which is 0.0679 cents. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, my stop loss price it's at 0.0592 cents. And my entry price it's at 0.0625 cents. And my safety price it's at 0.0679 cents. And finally, let me walk you through how I executed my STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair live trade on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. So when the price action of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 28.44%, I jumped in on the live trade at the 15% entry price on a single green candlestick, single bounce entry condition. And I also moved my stop loss from the 9% stop loss price to the 15% entry price. Immediately the price action bounced up to the safety price. And when the price action dipped back down to 8.26%, I already sold my entire STAT USDT portfolio at the entry price, which I actually took a break-even trade on this particular bounce. And then when the price action bounced up again, I re-entered the trade at the 15% entry price on a single green candlestick double bounce entry conditions. I also moved my stop loss from the 9% stop loss price to the 15% entry price. Immediately the price action bounced up to the safety price. And as the price action of the STAT USDT cryptocurrency pair continues to move up to a very massive uptrend, I placed a trailing take profit order on the Bybit order form to take profit at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is I sold my entire STAT portfolio at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is 0.1250 cents. So in total, I made a 99.88% profit trading this particular bullish trend section. And that was a massive profit already. With $1,000 trading capital, I literally made $1,000 worth of absolute profit for participating on this particular bullish trend section. And that was a massive profit already. So traders, it's pretty amazing that you can literally make a lot of profits in the cryptocurrency markets using the do your own crypto trading research. And that's one of the best ways to make profits in the cryptocurrency markets right now. You literally have to stop relying on cryptocurrency promoters all over the internet. They are actually telling you cryptocurrencies to buy and they are not planning for your good. You have to stop relying on cryptocurrency promoters if you truly want to be successful in the cryptocurrency markets for a very long time. If you are interested in joining our live crypto trading community, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.